everyone, welcome back to my channel. So whenever we are in a relationship, we always find some good days and some bad days. But what happens that there are some laws which we should understand, and we should know that these things will never change. So today I'll talk to you about some fundamental things of relationships, which we should always keep in mind. So first is trust. Trust is something which we earn, and getting it back is really very very difficult. So we should always take care of this thing, that trust should not be broken. So it can be anything. There are some situations where we don't tell our partner, we feel that he or she feel hurt, or we will not tell her this. And but the problem is that if we don't tell them these things, it can be anything: finances, family conditions, anything. What happens when person gets to know this, especially from someone outside who is outsider? Then what happens that this trust is broken, and then the other person will be never be able to trust you again. So it is very very important that we take care of this thing, trust. Sometimes what happens that we are bored together, and we always want to be together, but uh, after some years especially, we feel that okay, we are bored. We should always have a life of our own apart from this relationship. When we give our 100% to only one relationship, and our whole life is revolving, so what happens in that case, that if these things happen, and we have a fight or something, then we feel that our life has ended, and this should not be the case. So it is very very important. Sometimes we feel that children, if we will have children, then our gap will be filled, and everything will be okay. But we should always understand that marriage and children, they are big responsibilities, and we should never rely on them to fill our gaps, because it is not possible. It will only increase the problems, and because once you are mentally, financially sorted, then only these things make sense. So definitely this is not the solution. Sometimes what happens that we have a fight with our partner, and we feel that okay, I want separation. Wow, or I'll feel so good with some other person, and we have so many thoughts. So the idea behind this is that whenever we feel these kind of things, and we have these thoughts, we should just ignore them, because these things are very very common, and some we have good days and we have bad days. So definitely these thoughts will come, and we should ignore them, and we should not feel guilty about them, that okay, I am feeling guilty now, what was I thinking, it's so bad. It's nothing like that. It's very human, and these thoughts should just be ignored. Next important thing is that we should realize that we will hurt each other. So it's a fact, because whenever we are in a relationship, it always happens that we hurt each other. And we have always seen that the person who is closest to us, and whatever he says or whatever she says, it hurts us the most. So this is a very very important factor, that we get hurt. But the thing is that we should try to move on, and we should realize this, that yes, okay, we will hurt each other, but we will be together again. It's very very important, because sometimes what happens that the person says so many bad things that you feel okay, now this is over, now this is over. But definitely, if you feel that there is a hope there, you just stick on to that hope. It really works. My last thing is that love can't survive on its own. Definitely it needs actions, and it demands work, and we should work towards it. And definitely time to time we should take care of these things, that trust should be there, and you should not hurt each other in such a manner that that things become you know uh, very bad, and we should try at least. Obviously we are human, so we should definitely see these things in such a way that this is a bad time, but definitely good time will come, and we will not stop giving our inputs in the relationship, and this always works. So definitely these are the things which are very very helpful, I feel, after a certain point of time, especially when we feel that okay, life is boring, same things are happening, same fight, same person, and we're not getting anything new out of life, and life is not that great. After a certain point of time, we feel that okay, it's becoming a same bunch of same activities daily. So in these scenarios, definitely these things have helps us, because we feel that okay, we are the only one who I am the only one who is having this thought that okay, I should live with some other and partner and everything. But these are very very human things. We should definitely try to move on, and when you move on, then only you are able to uh, uh, live a happy life. And definitely if there are some more serious issues and you feel that okay, you are in trouble and you need to get out of the relationship, it's person to to each his own. It's a very personal thing. This is my today's topic, and I felt really good talking to you about all this, because I feel that these are the things which are very very common, and in every relationship these things and these points come when you feel that you want to just quit, and you want to get over this. And but these things really helps. These things are very very important. So thank you so much, and if you like my video, please like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to click the bell icon.